Hello and welcome to Juicing Julie. Come on, right in. Let's make some immune booster winter juice. Now, our first ingredients for this recipe is ginger. We know ginger is a superfood, and every other ingredient that you'll be seeing on the screen has been carefully chosen in order to achieve purpose, which I'm going to list out. The first one, they contain lots of ingredients that help with inflammation. It is loaded with antioxidants. It helps with muscle pain relief, anti-nausea and anti-sickness or motion sickness. This shot will help to boost your immunity, paramount. It will also help to lower blood sugar, help with your digestion. Kickstarting the digestive system helps with weight loss as well. It helps to reduce menstrual cramps and could also help to fight cancer. Especially during this winter when you have all sorts of cough and cold and flu and all of that all over the place, having a winter shot is a good way to protect yourself. And yes, we come back to the ingredients. Like you've seen on the screen, the first was ginger, and then we have the parsnip. Parsnip is not very popular, so if you've had it or you know about it or you've never had it, can I hear your comments or read your comments in the comment section? Just tell me what you know a bit about parsnip. I also picked lime and mint leaf, fresh mint leaf, and also pineapple. All the other ingredients apart from pineapple, for some people they might not find it palatable, so I specifically chose pineapple, which is this particular one is a leftover from the one I've used before, because it will give it the sweetness to help one cope with drinking it. Also, pineapple is fully loaded with its own antioxidants and immune boosting properties. So yes, it's a win-win. And here we go. We are fully prepped and ready to juice. Remember, hand washing is crucial, and also making sure that you prep all your ingredients in a clean environment and with clean water. Now it's juice time. Let's do this. This is it, all set and ready for our consumption. The best immune booster winter wellness shots. All natural ingredients, no additives, no preservatives. Now, if you've enjoyed and you have not subscribed, please click that subscribe button. Remember to put on your notification, share, and leave your comments. Till I see you next time, don't forget, make food your medicine. Bye. For every complex medical issue, don't forget to contact your healthcare professional or your doctor for input before any other thing.